Hi there. Welcome to In the Clinic Before and Afters. I'm Dr. David Jack and I'm a cosmetic doctor working in London. Men in their 50s are starting to really see some changes happening in their faces. To add to that, any sort of trauma can augment that and make it slightly worse. So in this episode, meet Richard, who is starting to see some changes, but he also had a recent accident which has made him feel a bit more low about himself.
My name is Richard. I'm 56, was 56 2 weeks ago, and wouldn't mind having a little bit of an overhaul on my face. Also having had an accident in March which left some scarring. I think some work might be beneficial. So I'm hoping that for the new year I will have a new look.
Thanks for coming, Richard.
Very welcome.
So tell me, you've had a bit of a trauma recently that you're kind of getting over.
I had an accident in March. I was hit by a car. I was on my bicycle, catapulted into the air, head, feet, legs very badly damaged. As you can see, I have scarring here, here. My teeth are quite badly broken.
Sure.
Bit of a dent on the confidence, and my 56th birthday was very recently, and I thought it'd be really good to maybe have a little bit of an overhaul.
I think that probably a good starting point would be just to do a little bit of Botox, just to kind of open things up around your eyes, maybe a little bit, just to lift your brow from the centre there. I mean, you've got hardly any lines on your forehead, so I'd leave that completely. Always for men, what I don't want to do is kind of overdo things so you're completely
because it becomes
frozen.
quite obvious.
Yeah, it becomes very obvious. Yeah. And then you've lost a bit of volume kind of round about the eyes, whether or not that's kind of just something that's happened with age or if it's been kind of worsened by the effects of the accident or whatever. I think it'd probably be worth doing a little bit of filler in this area just to kind of replace some of the volume that you've lost there. But I think I would keep things simple, just do a little bit to start with. You've got some scars there, obviously that was from this accident, was it?
Yes.
So I suppose at some stage we could think about doing some skin resurfacing to stimulate some new collagen and new elastin to make the scars look less apparent there. They're not bad, but it's something that we could consider at some point. And other than that, your skin looks pretty good. So I would kind of stick to a very simple approach at first.
Absolutely,
and then see how things go with that. So I'd just do maybe a little bit of Botox today and then a little bit of filler just around about this area, and that's all. I would probably leave it at that. It was nice to meet Richard, and he'd unfortunately had trauma in his life over the last 3 months, being involved in a car accident, having scarring and loss of teeth from that. So it's nice to be able to kind of start to do something nice for himself. So I think that because he'd never done anything like this before, starting simple as always with a little bit of Botox and fillers is a good kind of introduction to these things, and hopefully that just makes him feel a bit better about himself after everything that's happened to him. Richard, so what I'm going to do here is I'll just do 5 injections in this area, 4 injections either side.
So why 5 injections?
Just targeting the particular muscles.
Okay.
So yeah, and then I'll do probably 3 on each side round about the under eye area. That's us. Okay.
So, Dr. Jack, do you use this treatment on yourself?
Of course. Good, that's us. So, give it a couple of days old just to settle down. It'll be a wee bit swollen, as I said, maybe tomorrow. Usually by about day 5, everything will have settled down.
Okay.
Botox takes about 2 weeks for it to be fully active, so you won't notice anything straight away. But over the next 2 weeks, you'll just notice this area lift a little bit and the eyes open up slightly.
So I'm not going to sort of wake up tomorrow morning, go to the mirror and go, wow.
No, not at all.
So
not at all.
2 weeks.
So yeah, give it 2 weeks. So yeah.
So anything else that you would advise? And obviously, just eating properly and resting
skin-wise,
properly.
yeah, I think that, the only thing, if you're a bit swollen, you can take some antihistamine.
Okay.
But other than that, there's not really anything.
As far as my cleansing routine, just regular whatever before a little bit of soap water.
Normal, absolutely, yeah.
Okay,
yeah, there's nothing extra.
Nothing
you need to
change.
do. Yeah. Just add in an SPF. to your just a daily routine. So yeah, that's it.
All right.
Cool.
When I left, there was slight tingling on the skin, a little bit of swelling. The difference started to appear about 10 days after the treatment. It was a nice surprise. It was a very nice surprise. In terms of my confidence, that has helped a lot. I think that since my accident, I didn't realise how dented that had been. But this has absolutely helped, 100%. The great thing about Dr. Jack is that he's very relaxed, very easygoing. There's nothing formal about the whole procedure. I arrived, and from beginning to end, it felt very organic, very natural. I would absolutely 100% recommend this type of treatment. A lot of men are slightly apprehensive about doing it because there is a little bit of a stigma about Botox and fillers, but 100% I would definitely recommend. I think it's painless, it's not very expensive, and the results have been commented on in a very positive way.
So if you enjoyed watching this today, then please subscribe to my channel, set the alerts bell for new videos, and leave any comments or queries that you want me to answer, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can.